it up and see what we got. We got a little special bonus here from Amazon. We're going to see what that is. Alright, welcome back there, YouTube. We're going to have an unboxing of the old RIDGID paddle switch angle grinder, 4.5 inch, 18 volt. Model is RK860451K. Came with a 4.5 amp lithium battery and charger. Got this, must have been some kind of sale, $99 in 1-day delivery. Amazing deal. It was regular $179 as the video goes on. So let's pop this bad boy open and check it out. As always, we got the lifetime service agreement. Just go online and register your product. Takes about 2-3 minutes. A little paperwork here. Here's a new cheap charger. Like I said, it came with a 4 amp hour lithium battery. About half charged. Owner's manual. Get to the good stuff. Let's see what we have here. Specifications. 18 volt, 8500 revolutions per minute. 5/8 inch spindle, 4.5 inch. Capacity is 4.0 amp hours. Charger is 120 volts. Charges 18 volt lithium ion batteries. And that's about it. Let's see what we have in here. Oh yeah. We have, comes with a 4.5 inch metal grinding wheel. It's probably a tool. Or is the tool making the video? Yep. It's your removal tool. Handle. Safety wheel that probably won't be able to use for anything. Bunch of cardboard. More cardboard. And another manual. And I have to say, we didn't get a RIDGID bag. That's probably the first thing I've ever bought from RIDGID. They didn't give you a tool bag. Surprising. They love to give away those tool bags. So let's try here. Well, what is this? It already has a shield on it. Why does it give you two? Got a metal shield and a plastic shield. Let's see. It must be a spur. Let's see what this says. Plastic. That in, try that in there. Oh, it's an extra protector maybe? What the heck is this thing? Now that, push that release, you can spin this around. That's pretty slick. It's usually why you take those off is because they won't move. So you push that, you can spin this around. Push that, spin that, and the metal guard that's on there will spin. Push that, and it rotates. Still have not figured out what this plastic one is for. Any pictures? We definitely don't want to read the directions. Ah, there we go. It's a little plastic protector for the metal guard. I guess so you don't scratch up your guard. Huh. A guard for the guard. That's odd. Okay, so let me pop that off real quick. We got these. These go both directions. Pop the battery in here real quick. Get this thing a spinning. Make sure that don't spin off. Doesn't have very much juice. As well. Pretty neato. As promised, let's check out what we got in the old Amazon bag. Got these on the Zon. Don't lose these. The adapters. This is some new cutoff wheels I found for cutting metal. Metal cutoff wheels. 4.5 inch metal cutting disc. They're supposed to cut right through metal. Diamond tip. We're going to try those out. So like, subscribe, and check out my next video. We'll try these out on this new grinder.